So after you put the weapon motor and the weapon blade in, you have to make what I call weapon posts. All right, you got to make the things that the weapon motor can be mounted to. So if you have a vert, all right, a vertical bot, all right, what you have to do is create a sketch on this face right here. But again, before you make any sketch, you have to click on the arrow next to sketches and make sure all of these are unchecked. Mine are, so I'm in a good place. So I'm gonna hit create sketch up here, and I'm gonna click on this bottom face right here. And I'm always gonna hit capture position. All right, now I'm gonna make a 2-point rectangle on this side so the weapon motor with these 4 holes can be mounted to it. All right, so I'm gonna click on 2-point rectangle. Now I wanna start my rectangle. It has to be kind of right below this back part of the motor. All right, not past it, not so far away from it, but kind of right near it and a little bit behind it. All right, so this is a good spot for my first click. And I want the post itself to be about 8 millimeters thick. So see how this number is changing? The highlighted number, I'm just gonna type in 8 and it'll lock into that size. So no matter what I do, it stays that size. Now I'm gonna bring it out to, I have to bring it out past the end of the weapon motor here. So just a little bit, it's a little bit past it. That is good right here. Okay, so I have a whole new sketch there. I'm gonna hit E for extrude, and I'm gonna click on this, hold down control, but I actually didn't have to hold down control. And I also hit that, and now essentially I'm gonna bring this up as a new body. I'm gonna drag the arrow. Now you'll notice that it's cutting because some material was in the way of the sketch when I extruded it. So again, all right, it's gonna start cutting into whatever is there. You could use extrudes to cut, remember? But we're gonna change it from a new from cut to new body. So don't worry that it's cutting right now. I'll kind of change my view. I'm going to drag this above where my motor is, all right? It can't be below because this hole right here needs to mount into it, so it has to come above it. All right, and I'm just gonna bring it to some random height above it, like that. Okay, some of your motor mounts are, some of your weapon posts are gonna be high, it doesn't matter. Okay, now I'm gonna change it from cut to new body, and you'll notice that a body just appeared. Okay, and I'm gonna hit okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to mirror that body that I just made so it shows up on the other side. So I'm gonna go to create, mirror. It's asking for bodies. I could click on this body right here. You see it highlighted in the list. I could click on it, or I could click on it in the list. So I like clicking on things in the list. Select my mirror plane. It's again the one standing up in the middle between it, and you'll see it pop up on the other side. I'm gonna hit OK. Now I have 2 weapon posts. All right. And then what I need to do is make holes in the weapon post. So I'm actually going to rename these weapon posts. I'm going to click on it once and then click on it again. And I'm going to call this weapon post. If I'm looking at the bot that's on the right side, so I'm going to put weapon post R. I'm going to call this one weapon post L. Hit enter. All right, so now I'm gonna click on the eyeball next to weapon post R so it disappears, and I'm gonna create a sketch on this face. So I'm gonna hit create sketch. I'll click on this face. I'm going to, well, let's see if this works. I'm gonna make 4 points. I'm gonna create a point in the center of each of these holes. Come on, there we go. Click, 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 click. Now I'm gonna bring back my weapon posts right here. I'm gonna hit H for hole. Now it's asking, what do I want to make a hole on? I want to make a hole using these 4 points. And you'll notice that I could kind of click through the wall. So I'm going to click on this. Ooh, is it only going one way? Let's see. I'm going to change it from distance to 2. I'm going to click on this wall. Perfect. I'm always going to change my drill point to flat. And I need the width of this hole to be 3.2. And I'm going to hit OK. And now I have holes in my weapon post. So now I can screw it into my bot. And that is it.